I had to have 4 surgeries in my left foot. I got the iWALK so that I could remain functional, hands-free, and take care of my family. At first, I was nervous and I walked really carefully. I stuck with it, and with a little more practice and concentration, I got the hang of it. My confidence grew. I followed iWALK's video instructions for correct fit and first-time use, and it made all the difference. Once I got the hang of it, I had the confidence to go anywhere and do anything I needed. From showing Gulfront properties to walking up and down stairs, taking my girls to their first day of preschool, dates with my husband, church, I didn't miss a thing. This was all made possible thanks to the iWALK. Thank you all, iWALK. I am so grateful and blessed to have met you.